Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Peter the Rock. I have always wanted to watch Kota Factory on Netflix. Recently I binge watched it. I could easily relate to Jeetu Bhaiya, played by Jitendra Kumar, as a teacher. I am sure teachers who are emotionally attached to their students do undergo what he had to undergo. It is normal. But the other side of the coin had Vaibhav, played by Mayur More, who according to me was extremely adorable. There were other characters too, like Shivangi played by Ehsas Channa, Bal Mukund played by Ranjan Raj, Vartika played by Revati Pillai, Uday played by Alam Khan, and many more. The 3 seasons of this web series revolved around the lives of these students aspiring to become IITians. The character that I am quite emotional about is Vaibhav's. All episodes of all seasons, except the last episode of season 3, showed the struggles, ups and downs, emotions, and their existence as IIT aspirants. I could not hold my tears when Vaibhav could not clear his IIT exam, when he was the one who helped Vartika know concepts. The stark truth hit the rock hard. Vaibhav joined the repeat batch after wanting to crack IIT entrance again. Is this a reality of major entrance exams in India? No. Similar exams can be seen in other countries too. Take for example, China's final school exam, Gaokao, is the toughest exam. It is not the toughest just for schools. Gaokao is the toughest test among all the tests in the world apparently. Chinese students overcome impossible expectations to ace it. Or look at Sanyong, South Korea's final school exam. It is 8 hours long and highly challenging. On the day of this exam, flights are halted, businesses open late, and the army pauses its exercises. Because good grades promise access to a good college, a good job, a good house, a good marriage, and a good life. Acing exams can alter the course of one's life. But exams and grades are not the only one that define your life. There are examples that show the ones who did not score well but did extremely well in their life. So there is no need to put children under immense pressure. It only results in anxiety, depression, and suicidal thoughts. I have always been cool about boards and its results. I, as a teacher, believed in dealing with board-going students with utmost coolness and calmness. I thoroughly understand students' mental status, but when I had to wait for my nephew's board results, I was stressed for 30 minutes before checking his results. I think the exam makes us like that. In Canada, hospital admissions among teens are at a peak between January and April, that being the exam season in Canada, as it is March in India. Such things were missing during non-exam period. Suicide among Indian students rose by 70% between 2011 and 2021. Look at the data. The reason for their deaths is the mutual societal expectation and belief that grades are everything. We think exams are the be-all and end-all of life. Truly speaking, they are just a means to an end. Children are more important than their scorecard. Earlier system of CBSE was, according to me, better, as students were given many chances in formative assessments. Tests should be conducted in a classroom or centers without the student knowing that it is a test. In a stress-free atmosphere or a situation, students give their best and they enjoy the process of proving their mettle. Well, it is highly debatable because there might be many people who disagree with me. What's your take on this? Do mention it in the comment section. Also, subscribe to my channel to watch the